guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the 250 again, but this time we're going to be doing the maintenance part of the bike. On the last video you seen me removing all of the fairings from the bike. I think I did pretty good. I think it took me about 20 minutes to get all the fairings off, if that. So, like I said, this video is gonna be changing, well, not changing, but doing mostly maintenance. I already checked the coolant. We're gonna have a slight delay on this. Right here, we have our Kawasaki oil filter. We got our air filter, and as you see, they only gave us one plug. I guess they didn't realize that they had two, because you look right here, there's clearly two spark plugs. So what I'll probably do is have to go by there and get another one, and then I'll come back and slide that one on off camera. But yeah, so this video, you know, just gonna be doing the oil change, plug, and air filter. And then I'll probably remove the tires on another video, or maybe not. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna go ahead and kick this video off as soon as my brother get here, my little helper. He's gonna be helping me out again on this bike, so I'll update you guys when he gets here.
2 hours later.
Still waiting. Y'all know what I was just thinking about? Which orange came first? The fruit orange or the color?
A few moments later.
Finally done eating. We were messing around and stuff. But I'm gonna get him to change the oil. I don't know if it's only on this model, but it's 3 plugs down here that all look the same, and you can get them mixed up as them being the oil drain plug. So just in case you guys don't know, this is the actual drain plug. This one is not the drain plug, so when you change your oil, do not mess with this one, but it's this one.
What'll happen if you do?
All right, so yeah guys, don't mess with this one. This one right here is going to be where your oil come out at, and this one is your actual filter. So now I'm just gonna get my brother to drain it, and then we'll move on from there. Alright guys, so got the oil drainer. So now we're gonna come to the other side, and on this particular bike, the oil filter, not oil filter, the air filter is located in this box right here. So I'm gonna grab us some heads and get that air filter out. Got it out, and you just reach right here, and it just comes straight out. But as you see, they don't use the same air filter like that bigger bikes use. So we're gonna get this out and get the new one in. Alright guys, so on this, it has little pop pins, or whatever you want to call them. One on this side, and then there's one on the other side. You just want to pop those grab both sides and just split it. And then
I'm gonna just keep it like that. And I'm gonna just grab the new one.
got the new one right here. Fresh out the pack. Alright. And you just take it off of that one, move it to the new one. Make sure they pop also when you guys put it back onto the new one. And then after that, you can put it back into the bike. That back on and installed. So now we can come back on this side. You can see our oil is done draining. So now we're going to remove the filter. And remember that I said the filter is this first one right here. This one right here. And your filter, once you don't take it out, your filter's going to be sitting on top of the little plate that you removed. So I'm going to show you guys that. So your best bet is probably to be let that drip out for a minute until it calms down, and once it calms down, you can go ahead and remove the whole thing. But if you try to remove it now, it's probably gonna get dirty. But let it sit and drain for a bit, and then come back and remove it. Alright guys, once you get it out, this is what it looks like. You want to take the little piece off at the end, that piece. And just pull the filter off the end.
And it's a washer right there.
And yeah, watch out for the washer. That's right there. Make sure that you don't lose it. So once you get the filter out, you want to wipe this down, put a new seal around it, and then we have the new filter right here. Pull that. Have a new filter here, ready to go from Kawasaki. This is the one that they sent. So we're gonna wipe this down, place a seal on it, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we got the new filter on, new seal. Now we're gonna throw it back on the bike. plug. The first one is right here. I'm gonna get my brother to pull that out so we can get the plug out. Alright, set your plug to the side. Top. So we got the old spark plug out, as you can see. So now we got the new plug. So now we can install this. Putting the spark plug in, don't drop it in too hard into the hole. You don't want to strip it out or damage the plug or anything before you even get it in. And once you get it snugged in by hand, go back with your ratchet and just do some light turns. You don't want to go in rough with the ratchet, trying to tighten it all the way up. Just take your time and do it lightly. And don't get it like super tight, just get it snugged on there. Because like I'm telling you, you don't want to strip out your spark plug. But once you do that, that's it for the plugs. But like I said, they only brought me one. The other spark plug is located right across from this one, but I believe it's gonna be a little harder to get to. But I'm not gonna record that one because, like I said, I only got one spark plug, so I got to go back and get another one once the dealer open backs up. But that's how you do the first one, so just be careful with the spark plugs. All right, guys, so we got the drain bolt back in and torqued. We got the oil filter back on and torqued. I was actually able to get both spark plugs changed. I just changed the right side because, you know, we did the left side already. So now, only thing left to do now with the bike is top it back off with oil. I just went and got the oil now, so we're gonna go ahead and top that off and get it set back right. So let's put some oil in here. So I only put one whole quart and then a half of the second one because I haven't started the bike up yet, so it hasn't had time to cycle through. But I'm gonna leave it right there for right now, and then once we get the once I'm able to put the bike back together, I'll go back and top off the oil. But as long as the bike has some oil in it, it's good. But that part's done. That's another job done on the 250. Plugs change, air filter change, fresh oil, fresh oil filter. I topped the coolant off. So the next video y'all should see on this bike might probably be putting the bike back together, or it will be a reveal. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video we plan on doing on this bike, And let me know you guys' thoughts in the comments, man. How y'all feel about the bike or the little series. And just let me know what you think, what you guys like and would like to see. But besides that, man, that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click that bell so you get notified on new videos. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.